Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV, that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the airbag fuse is located, guys, stay with us. We'll explain. You need to check two fuses. If you're not qualified and certified, never work on the airbag system, never pull fuses, never do anything, because airbags can kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Now, for any of you that are qualified, just a quick reminder: anytime you work on airbag systems, you have to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Today we'll explain where the fuses are located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Let's start on it now. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague, and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So here, guys, we're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working just one of them, and the one that we need is on the inside, guys. We're talking about, okay, the fuse box that is actually underneath the dash, guys, okay, above the pedals. If you look all the way upside down there in the left corner, you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, if you zoom in, you will notice that you have the fuse numbers listed next to the fuses. That makes it super convenient. We'll need to check two fuses, and the first fuse that we need to check is a 10 amp fuse. It's in that row right here, and we're talking about fuse number 3. That's the first fuse that we need to check. Then we have another fuse that we need to check, and we're talking about, actually, guys, it's a 7.5 amp fuse, okay, in the second row right here. And if you look right there, that fuse right here, fuse number 29, 7.5 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.